Good morning. Morning, everybody. Monday. It is a Monday today, man. It is a Monday today morning, snowy snare and digi pirate. And we got Gunner Age Ease a Shot. Hello, and Ked as well over on Twitch. On YouTube, Garlic and Goggles, good morning as well. Ngā mihi nui everybody, ngā mihi nui, more designing work getting done today. How we doing? Hope we've had a good weekend. I had a pretty solid weekend. I did not sleep much on Saturday, but hey, I played some WoW yesterday, so I'm good. How we doing, whānau? You ain't never had a friend like me. Wow. You got some whoop pizzazz. You ain't never heard a friend like me. Yo, what up, Phantom Shock? I'll be leaving you with a lurk. Hey, appreciate you, brother Phantom. Cheers, brother. Over on Kick. Thank you, my bro. Someone messaged me. Oh, it's Earth Day today. Happy Earth Day. As we're on the brink of World War III. Oh my gosh, hey. Bloody crazy times, chat. I'll be honest. If there's one thing that'll make me stop having kids in the world, it's a world war. Because that is not good. I don't think it's good to, bring a child into the craziness of the world that's about to happen right now. So, I just hope we can, keep that cool, cheeky corner of the internet for us. Without it getting not getting too silly. Because the world is getting a bit silly right now, I'll say. It do be getting a little bit silly, chat, unfortunately, eh? Also, chat, the iPad is charging. So, we won't have any music till a little later, okay? Thanks for giving us something else to pay attention, especially over the US. It's hard not to focus. Oh, bro, I'd say it'll like I can't really speak for it, but it must feel like everyone's on edge now with what's going on, eh? It's scary to see, but it's sad to see as well. I can't imagine what it feels like in your country, brother. Whew, that's hot. Wait, I didn't even plug the internet cord in. Oh no, we're about to have a lag spike. Hold on, chat. Hold up. Sorry, I forgot to plug the internet cord in. We might experience some lag here. 3, 2, 1. There may be some disconnects, okay? Maybe. Morning, TikTok. How are yous? Morning. I hope yous are all well. Happy Monday. Just talking about the craziness that's happening around the world right now. Joe Raging, how are you, my bro? Yeah, just touching base a little bit on all the hectic stuff happening around the world right now. It's very scary, I won't lie. Very scary. Yo, I love what? Sing for a galaxy. Oh, I'm alright. Watch just cause. Yeah, it's pretty interesting what's happening in the world right now. I just seen it last night and holy. I'll just try and I'll just try and continue to make a nice, chill, safe place for us here on the internet chat. While the world goes tits up again, and see what happens from there. Eh? Thank you very much, Dominic, for the pass. Do you play rugby? Nah, brother. Oh, you're eating a baguette? No? I haven't had one of those in a long time, to be honest. Yo, what's up, Sajmon on Twitch? Also, so I watched K-pop Demon Hunters with my kids yesterday. I will not lie, the songs were very catchy. The songs were very catchy. I didn't think K-pop music was that catchy. I don't really listen to K-pop myself. But they had some certified bangers in their movie. Thank you, Kieron. Thank you again, brother. Yeah, they had some pretty good bangers in their movie. My kids chose the movie and they went, Dad, can you watch this with us? I went, oh, alright. And then I got a bit invested, eh? Yo, Rune Mort, thank you very much for the aroha. Cherry brother, gutter snipe. And also Rune with the community fist. I'm a big fan. Love what you do. Keep up the good work. Thank you, brother Kieron. I'll try and do my best, brother. I think, yeah, definitely with what's going on around the world, I want to try and make my presence more seen on the streams, just with all the crap that's going on, eh? Yo, King Tiger, cheer my bro. What religion are you? I don't really believe in religions that were brought here by other people. I just believe in the gods of my own people. Do you remember the clip? Yeah. I would say it would be rude of me to forget that clip, eh? But I'll never watch it. I hate watching videos of myself. I always thought that was a bit cringe if you watch yourself. That's just me. What enough on 42? What enough, my bro? Cheer from Otara, cheer, my bro. Trunks. How's it up in the 09, my bro? We'll start soon if you're new. I normally have a coffee before I start. Who donated to the original? It was the Baron Fernax, who is a OG member of my community. He's still around today, 63 months. Cheer from the east side. Cheer from Rotorua as well. Yeah, so he's Yeah, he's pretty much been around since the start, along with a lot of other people as well. Up to from Australia. You're up early? Share my bro. All is well, brother. All is well. I was just thinking a lot last night with this war going on. Mana, all the way from Murupara. Oh, kia ora. My sister lives in Murupara. Louisiana. Where's sick? Just realised. What did you realise? All the way from Washington State. Oh, bro, how was it in America, my bro? I'd imagine it's very on edge right now. What did you realise, Snowy? Hey!
Take my Twitch money, Mr. Wholesome Man.
Thank you very much for the 17 months as an Optimus Prime, Snowy. Cheers, my bro. Has content and carving a full-time job, pretty much, and you know, outside of that, I do commissions offline too. Getting rain every day and it's 95 every day and humid. Oh, yuck. Bugger that. Louisiana, is that in the south? I'm not too... Yo, Victor Des, thank you very much for the 15 roses, my bro. I'm not too all-knowing when it comes to, like, continents. Yo, Huncho Buncho, thank you for the rose too. What's the biggest wood commission you've ever made? I've actually never done a big scale wood commission. Never. I think the largest carvings I've ever done by myself are the ones I first did on streaming. Box X Adam and Eve. Who the hell is that? I don't stream this. Well, it's a dry heat, so it's not too bad. The first time I experienced dry heat was Vegas. I didn't mind it, to be honest. I thought it was all good. Louisiana makes me think of Resident Evil. Yo, Victor, thank you for the 70 roses, my bro. Did I watch? Close your mouth when you chew. Wipe your ass. Go wash your ass. Yo, what up, Thrifty? Okay, we've got to finish my coffee and then we'll start chat. I'll try and get everything cut out today. Try and get it all cut out. And then we'll do that cleanup on it. Thank you, stars. And what's that emoji? Is that Saturn? I don't know. I don't even know planets. What's up, Prony Cards? Thank you, stars, as well. Hey man, it's really cool. Have a nice day. Che, Diego, you have a good day too, my brother. Please chew with your mouth shut. Alright, please go and wash your ass because you stink. Come on, bro. Worry about yourself. How much did Disney pay your... Talk properly and I'll tell you. Yo, J Rosa, thank you very much for the rose. And Turbo Will as well. For the carving, they paid me 10 grand. and I put some of that into, or most of it into my savings for a house, and yeah, put most or majority of it into my savings account. So I'm trying to save for a house right now too. Thank you, David, for the roses, and J Rosa. It's getting ready for bed. Go to bed, my brother. Go to bed. Joe TK. Yo, David, thank you very much for the roses, and J Rosa as well. Giving, please drink your hot bev quietly. Enjoy the stream, man. Cheer, brother T Rex. True, Snowy. Yo, takeout. Thank you very much as well. I was watching a lot of YouTube last night, and bro, those old school Porsches with the wide body kit, bro. That's my jam right now. If there was ever a car I'd like to drive, it'd probably be one of those. Those ones that old Japanese guy does up, bro. They're so nice, eh? I love the sound of it too. What's up, Corey? Oh, Jacob. There's a lot of emojis in your name, my bro. That is a lot of emojis. WB, yeah, bro, they're so cool, eh? I love them, bro. Thrifty. What time is it for you? It is currently 9:39 a.m. for me, on a Monday morning, and we're in winter right now. I just wear my. Think you will carve pounamu one day. I have carved pounamu. Yeah, I have carved pounamu. I will most likely get into it full time when I have my own shed. Yeah. Yeah, when I have my own shed. Hey, bro, greetings from Chile. Hey, what's is it Martiru over on Twitch? Because your two best friends have them. Oh, yeah, bro, I'd love me some mango right about now. If you're watching at silly o'clock in the morning, take your ass to bed, alright? Take your ass to bed. Come on now, take your ass to bed. Hydrating. Is that coffee you're drinking? Yeah, I like to drink one before I stream just to get my, my core temperature up while we carve. Just some black coffee, nothing too crazy. Try and drink it in its purest form. You're my soda pop, you're my soda pop, hey. Hey, morning Snare Jump. I'm doing good, my brother. Family's doing good too. Baby is getting really big and really heavy, fast. She's getting big, my bro. And, yeah, I was just looking at her the other day with, how the world's kind of going right now. Like, oh, bit worried for my family, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I won't be surprised if it comes this way at some point. Morning, Jamie Daly. Or Delay, did I say that right? Morning up. Almost done chatting, we can start carving. But do you always mahi outdoors? Pretty much, I don't have a shed, so yeah.
Market shared X100. Hello, bro, how are you?
Hey, my brother Marcus, I'm doing good, my bro. I'm doing good. I got to level 60 on my hunter last night. I've been sending it on World of Warcraft in preparation for Mists of Pandaria, one of my favourite expansions of all time. Also, I've become that one dickhead that's playing Prot Paladin in PvP, and I want to make a YouTube series on it, and I want to become the most renowned Prot Paladin in PvP. Yeah. Should not be playing the tank spec in PvP whatsoever, but I'm gonna do it anyway. because prop pelly is cool. I mean, I like bashing people in the face with a shield. How can you not love that? The wife and I started talking. Oh, really, snare drum? Okay. You play COD? Not really, my brother. I have the reactions of a freaking snail. Yo, Corey Hutch, my brother, you have a good one, my bro. Have a good sleep, and I will see you another time. Kia ora. Yeah, that's the reason why I just like playing prop pelly and PvP, just bashing people in the face with a shield. Especially when you hear it hit, hey? Sounds good. So yeah, I'll let you know how that journey goes. Might even YouTube series it and put it on my second YouTube channel. But it is school holidays coming up next week, chat. So I'll have to kind of like navigate. I'll have to navigate streaming for Whakairo, as you all know, through the school holidays. Through the school holidays, I prioritize time with the kids, and I want to try and get some filming done or some recording with my camera for some YouTube videos as well. I like doing that in Oblivion. Got my shield skill high. Yeah, bro. Shield bash in Oblivion is stupid strong, bro. Is it still stupid strong? I don't know. Okay, let's go. So this is what we've been doing. To all those that are new, this is a heimato or a fish hook that we've been doing. This is for someone from the Twitch chat, okay? So what we're doing is just prepping the design, okay? Once we've prepped the design, then we start cleaning it. Once we've finished cleaning it, then we add the notches. After we've added the notches, we clean the notches. And then we start the other side, okay? So we're going to do it. So this is one side. And we're going to do it on the other side. But the catch is, we're going to opposite and do it on the inside of the fish hook, okay? Outside, inside. So that's what we're going to be up to today, okay? Ngā mihi nui to everyone that's still stuck around after my apple and my coffee. How long will it take? I have no idea. Carly, I appreciate you for the rose. Yeah, I don't know. I won't lie. I don't keep track of time. I never do. I just do it. Just do it. And also, to anyone in the Twitch chat, did you end up buying a kebab and eating it? Is that Maui's hook? Something similar to it, but not so much. So I got asked. So with this, with that moana thing, I got commissioned to do. I had to choose between a fish hook and a hoi or a paddle. I chose to do a paddle because it seemed more fitting. And I hadn't done a paddle in ages, so I wanted to do a paddle. So I just did a paddle. Are you in New Zealand? I am, my friend. I am. Also, chat, I'm trying to figure out where I can put my signature on this thing too. Now, when it comes to my signature, I don't put my name. I just do a little design. So we'll sort that out, eh? We'll sort that out today too. Hello from South Texas. Hey, what's up, my brother? 'Cause all my exes live in Texas. That's why I hang my hat in Tennessee. Yo, chat, speaking of Texas and Cowboys, I think I want to do another playthrough of Red Dead. I want to have another cry. Need a good cry in my life when it comes to gaming. What say you, guys? What say you? Yay, nay? Oh, still one of the saddest moments of that game, bro. Is for me is Arthur's last ride. Oh, brother! And did you know a little insider too? If you have max bond with your horse, when it eventually you know dot logs off. I don't know how to say it in TikTok terms. It shows the special cutscene too. Have you played Ghost of Tsushima? Yeah, brother, I love that. Hello from Reno NV, Nevada. Was that it? Not gonna lie, bro. I thought your comment was saying you're doing a reno on the RV, and I got a little bit invested there. So I'm just trying to love me a good reno. This is not sticking. Hello from London. Hey, brother. Hello, Schwiggity over on YouTube. Holy crap, the viral nice guy. What's up, brother? How are we doing, my friend? Bro, this device is not working with me today. He'll drink from the deep water. Alright, there we go. I just discovered a Kiwi band called Alien Weaponry. They are my new obsession. Oh, nice. Bro, listen to a song called Kai Tangata. A lot of my friends are in there. It's from when I used to work in Maori tourism. Got a favourite game, Solly? It'll always be World of Warcraft. That's the game I've spent a lot of my life in. I'm not gonna lie. Happy with the Crusaders win? Fuck no. Pussies were too scared of the cowbell. Pussies. Hell no, I'm not happy they won. Razor can never fetch shit too. We're banning the cowbells. I'm like, oh, come on, bro. Supposed to be some professional athletes and you get distracted by a cowbell? Come on now. One of your favorites for working out? Oh yeah, you learn the skill by your own, or it was taught to me by my uncle. And then it was refined by me at a carving school. Yeah, I applied for a carving school back in 2014. Which feels like a bloody long time ago, eh? Yeah, I applied for a carving school, brother. I wanted to upskill and, learn more. Did my 3 years there, graduated. And, yeah. And my name still ain't on the graduate board. Yeah, name's still not on the graduate board, guys, at the school I went to. That's probably the one thing I always roast that school about. And it's funny because the people that work the office there, admin, they hate it when I say it too because they know I'm right.
Yes, sure.
Yo, Arda! What's up, my brother? Thank you for the 37 months, my bro. How you been, my brother? How you been? Good to see you once again, my bro. Hope you're looking after yourself, as always. Well, that's for everyone, really. I hope you are all looking after yourselves in this bloody crazy world we live in. I need another piece of timber chip. I've got so many bits and pieces to choose from. I'm great, bro. Hey, love to hear it, my brother. Hey, what's up, Oxen Code? Oh, it's just a bot. Never mind. Bro, so many bots on Kick, bro. I say ya. It's like a lot of bots that just say, oh, the stream is so bad, come and follow this guy. He's way better. That's like the pattern I've seen on Kick. And then you go, and then, because it was happening last week, and I went to the guy and he had like, what, 4,000 bloody viewers. I was like, holy. One thing I will say, just to be cheeky though, he had some manoobs on him. If you don't know what that is, Chad, man boobs. It's like, shit, I thought mine were big. Yo, Span FC, thank you very much. Hey, what up, Low Gains? How you, my bro? I've been good, brother. Just really, really busy. Busy with, just the baby, really. Like, outside of the streaming. Just busy with baby and the family. And, just, me and my wife have been trying to plan what to do with the kids for the holidays. It's the last week of the term. But yeah, we're trying to plan just like 2 days away for them. But at the same time, you know, we're trying to budget as well, because we're saving. But yeah, bro, kids are good. Baby's getting fatter by the day. Baby babble started like 2 weeks ago. I was like, hey, that's a bit early. But yeah, it's one of the most coolest things to wake up to, brother. 4 a.m. in the morning and you can hear baby talking. Oh, babbling, but you know. I learned from you. Oh, nice, brother. Are the older cubs teaching the new one their candy stealing tricks? Nah, my bro. They just sing to her. Yo, thank you very much, Cathalord, did I say that right? For the roses. Morena tana. Hey, what's up, Ree? Listening to you while I have some mutton bird. Oh, okay. Whee! I won't lie, not a fan, eh? Not a fan. I think I'm gonna be getting a lot of bots on Kick today, chat. Because I just had another one come through. And pretty much say the same message. Your stream sucks, come follow this guy. Yeah, man, they have a crazy bot problem, bro. Is this the brew? What do you mean by that? What are you making today? What is that, Red for Whakairo? Oh, it's just what I put on the stream title, really. It's a special name to me. But this is a heimato or fish hook. What's up, bum diggery? Cheer, my brother. Yo, Alex, thank you very much for the glasses, my bro. So expensive to go anywhere these days. Yeah, bro. So we were planning. We were going to go to Kelly Tolton's, which is like an aquarium here to those that live outside of the country. Because the kids have never been to one. But, was like $400. Oof, I know. And then, you know, just getting up there most likely be $100. And then, you know, other activities as well will probably cost a lot too. So we kind of had to look at it and say, I don't think we should go. Yo, milk, eggs, fabric softener, thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. Yo, 80 money, thank you for the gifties, my bro. No, that's just for the accommodation. But I would assume that, you know, the aquarium would be just as expensive as well. So we kind of just looked at it and maybe not. So we're just trying to figure out what we can do. What we can do here, and that would be, you know, not cost so much. When are you going to start a carving school? I don't think there's any need for me to do so, brother. There are a lot of amazing carving schools out there already. One moment, chat. I need to get my water. Where are we? Hey, what's up, Alva? How are you, Nakura? Let me try and bring these in a little bit closer, eh? I may have to just jump off the screen soon, chat, and carry my daughter's bathtub into the room. Bro, the bots on Kick are crazy, bro. And you know what? With all these bots on there, they're legit just telling me to go and watch another streamer, and it's a verified streamer, which is crazy. I might have to change me settings a little bit. Alright. Fucking so many bots, bro. Holy cow. What a bunch of bums. First time tuning in. Hey, what up, Jordan? How you, my bro? Okay. We need a pencil. Oh, just need to get this pencil real quick. Goddamn. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm just on standby for now, chat. Just in case my wife needs me to carry the bathtub into the room for the young one. But until then, let's get a lot of this done, eh? So we still need to carve out a few more lines here and there, and then eventually we can carry on. What's up, Junior? This is our daily helicopter chip. Not mine though. What are you making, brother? We're designing a heimato, my bro. Fish hook. Hey, what's up, Bucky? Yo, Brandoni, thank you for the biddy. Sorry if that's super loud. Is it me or was that helicopter like super low? Like super low. What's up, addictive atom? Hey, what's up, Carpenter Toe? Oh, we got another no life bot in the stream. Far out. Bunch of losers, bro. And it's a lot of verified streamers doing it too. Yeah, it's just a lot of little things today. So nothing like too crazy. Refreshing to see telling like yours. Oh, thank you, brother. I think in a sense, I'm just glad everyone enjoys it. That's the main thing, brother. And always, happy to share my culture. I'm going to start doing a few YouTube videos on some of the stories that we've shared over the years. Be good to share those and get them out there on YouTube for everyone. Like I'll continue to like say them on stream as well. I'll never get sick of explaining my culture, no matter how many times people ask. It's never a what's the word I'm looking for? It's never a burden. Gotta have the willingness to, help people understand fully. You're on the main page right now. Am I? Hello, main page. Oh, hang on. Just like that. We got everyone on the front page. And just like that, we win. What is that? We got 'em all. We got 'em all. These, by the way, are the W's that count. Alright? This is a heimato, brother. So, a heimato is a fish hook, alright? Now, before we carry on, I hear a couple arguing over alcohol again, which is a regular occurrence. Hold up. Yo, shout out to everyone on the front page. Help me get a nice house. Anyone else? Any other common folk like myself? Look at cool houses and just dream? Or is it just me? Okay, they're gone. Yo, Rat Daddy, how you been, brother? Long time no see. But I do it all the time, eh? If I hear a bit of commotion outside, your boy has to watch. Me and my wife do it quite a lot, eh? Like if she's putting baby asleep in the room and I'm in the lounge and we hear commotion outside, she's normally in the room and you know it's quite dark in the room. I'm like, open the curtain and see if you can see anyone. Yeah, we did low gains, we did, my bro. So I've put all of that aside. Been looking at some headstones on which I'd like to get for my nan. I am gonna try and talk to my cousins again too, because bro, I didn't realize how expensive they were. Holy. Yo, thank you very much, Winter Fresh K9. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime as well. If I were ever to get into wood carving, what's the best type of wood to start with? Free timber, my bro. You just use whatever you can. But at the same time, in terms of learning, something soft, okay? But understand the grain of the soft timber. Sometimes, you know, soft timber is easier to rip as opposed to another timber. But it's always the best to try, to practice on, eh? Make mistakes, eh? Be open to making mistakes, because, you know, can't learn, eh, if you're not. That's the one thing you got to be open to. I'd say not just in Whakairo, or wood carving, but in life. Make mistakes. Don't be a pussy. Make mistakes. Obviously, may not be on an excavator or anything like that, but you know. I'm a busy boy. Been working out, but I joined an MMA gym. It's been a lot of fun getting beat up by old guys. Oh, nice, brother. Yeah, I went back to my old powerlifting gym to do jiu-jitsu, my bro. Cause my daughter does it, and I kind of want to follow by her example. But hopefully, if I'm doing it, it inspires her. Just cause she's very passionate about it. So if I can help with something she's passionate about, then I'm happy with that, you know. I want that embroidered on a pillow. Don't be a pussy, make mistakes. Do it. Do it. Just make sure it's not one of them long pillows that, you know, those weirdos like sitting on. I've only found out about long waifu and husbando pillows, chat. I thought that was a bit weird, eh? I was wondering what my friends were saying, like, hey, should we get you a Carlac body pillow? I was like, what the frick would I want a pillow for? No, just shout me KFC. So not on a pillow of you. The Brock. There's an Auckland MMA fighter fighting next weekend for the UFC. Yeah, it's Kaikara. Is it Kaikara France fighting for the title? I think it's his fight. the first Maori to, you know, get in that position. Obviously, you know, I hope he wins. It would be freaking awesome to see a Maori world champion, UFC champion most of all. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, hold on guys, just gotta do bathtub. Sorry, Jet. I'm on double duty. I'm on double duty, okay? Dad duty. I heard Jones retired. I'm excited to see a new wave of fighters come through. Oh, did he? Oh, we got another loser in our in Grove Street. I think that's what I'm gonna start calling the green one, Chet. Grove Street. Oh. Yeah, I think I'll start calling the green one Grove Street, eh? Also, what do we think Rob Wiedoff's... Oh, I should probably get the iPad now, eh? So we've got music. Apparently Rob Wiedoff had an announcement coming up. I feel like it's going to be a new gen remaster of Red Dead Redemption 2. I don't think it'll be a new Red Dead. I think it'll be a new gen remaster. Yo, Aaron Price, thank you very much, brother. Sorry if I missed a few things while I was helping my wife, chat. Okay. What country are you in? Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. Been ages since you were on my FYP. Oh, what's up, Laura Baker? I've been good. Captain Blowhard.
Love to see a man and his wood.
Now that is a name. Thank you very much, Captain Blowhard, for the 2 months as an Optimus Prime, my brother. Yes, we are back on the morning wood, my bro. Much love, my brother. Thank you for the aroha. But I know what I can do when your sky is green. I'll give you blue. Man, I really want to play some nice, lovely licensed music today, but I won't. I won't do it, chat. I won't do it. As tempting as it is, it would be nice. I can't help but maybe go, but I know what I can do when your sky green. I'll give you blue. I'll give you blue. I like the acoustic version to that song, bro. It is so nice. I can't help but maybe go. Yo, what up, Chris? Cheer, my brother. Small hammer to cover. I filmed in Rotorua over the weekend, bro. Oh, did you? Ow. Did you DM me? I was pretty much with my fams all weekend too. Where were you? How is New Zealand's weather? Oh, it's pretty nice. We're in winter right now, so it do be chilly here and there. How do we buy your carvings? I've only got one of. A lot of people have been asking to buy this carving too. I really need to get on top of that. I've just been flat out busy with a lot of things, like outside of the stream. What I know. There we go. Oh. Yeah, I think I got removed from the TikTok creator program chat because I got to make sure I went to the lake. Oh, true. I got removed from the. I think I got removed from the TikTok creator program because I got to confirm if I want my lives to carry on, and normally it just auto confirms. Whoops. I can't help but maybe go, I love your craft, man. Thank you, Kosaki. Where do you buy your chisels? Carbatec, Crabatec, located up in Auckland, or you can get them online. But I've had my chisels since I was a student. The carving school I went to, if you pass, you get to keep them. Yeah, I graduated. We was graduation. We was graduation, my friend. Where's the best place to DM you? It's hard, bro. Insta's hard. TikTok's hard because I'm getting DMs on the daily. Like, ridiculous amounts of DMs, and I've been trying to reply to all of them except I like your streams, we should collaborate, but obviously the bots. Shorts with jacket kind of weird weather. Was confused a little. Oh, I wear shorts on the daily. Yeah. How long you been growing your hair for? Since 2014. I did cut it, however, 2 years ago for my grandmother when she passed. But yeah, other than that, last haircut was 2014. If you count me, cutting my hair for my grandmother, then 2 years ago. Alright. Need to tie my hair. Kia ora, bro, awesome content. What made you want to pursue carving? So the catalyst or the main person that got me into Whakairo was my uncle. And essentially what made me want to keep doing it was the hardship all my ancestors went through, or ours. And how much they fought for our culture, when the Tohunga Suppression Act was made, from where, from how pivotal this art form was for our people in order to sustain our history and pass it on. Those were the things that made me drop my dreams as a 12-year-old and fully pursue this. Because when I was 12, I was either, I had dreams, like I wanted to either be a zookeeper, I love to work with animals, or try and get into the art department at Blizzard, or be a police officer. So those were kind of my dreams that I wanted as a 12-year-old until, my path crossed with Whakairo. Let's not talk about let's not talk about it, my bro. Holy shite. Corey Kenshin reacted to you. Yeah, bro, I'm aware. Yo, Void Live, thank you for the Optimus Prime. I follow him on YouTube, and I read his first volume of his manga. Yo, whatever, see you. Thank you for the 4 months as an Optimus Prime, my brother. Thank you very, very much, my bro. Contributing to the daily sub goal today. If you can, Whānau, please feel free to help your boy out. If not, and you just enjoy chilling and watching the stream, that is fine too. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, so with this chat, just a little something. So we're kind of in a place between designing and cleaning where if I have to like what I see in order to move on. Pretty much. Who was that? Oh, Bruzoka! Cho, my brother! Thank you for the 8 months, my bro. Damn, man's ready to give birth next month. Thank you very, very much as well, brother Bruzoka. Hope you're doing well too, my bro. Thank you, Charlie, for the cats. And Beverly as well. Oh, it's Charlie with the You're Awesomes. Thank you, bros. So I might go and check on my wife shortly, chat, because she's bathing the baby. Just to see if she needs my help with anything shortly. But she should be good. Should be good. She's kind of sad because her maternity leave's almost up. And she wants to spend more time with the baby. So she's going to try and apply for a few things to see if she can extend her maternity leave a little bit longer. How did you get into the craft, man? My uncle, brother. He introduced it to me at the age of 12. Oh, Laserbeam. Oh, he's a good dude, man. I met Laserbeam 2 years ago. He's a really nice dude. I always get a lot of love from Team Power. That's who he's with, right? They sent me their 2025 shirt with my name on it. They're always sending me gifts, man. It's appreciated. I'm not gonna lie. Unfortunately, it's got the Aussie flag on it. No. Just one flaw about the shirt. Oh, hold on. I saw that, Godrix. Thank you very much for the 5 bomb, my bro. Sorry, Vane. Oh my days. Thank you very much, Hussein, as well for the roses. Sorry, Vane, for the in and outs.
Lil Crow 91 cheered Dex 200.
Thank you very much, Little Crow, for the 200 biddies, my bro. Once again, Godric, thank you for the 5 bomb. If you got a gifted sub, whānau, on Twitch, can you please say thank you? Or better yet, glaze the bro harder than a glazed donut from Krispy Kreme. Thank you, my bro. Oh, man. Parenting and streaming at the same time? It's a lot of back and forth. My wife was trying to do a bottle with one arm and I just thought, I'll do it. Get out the way. Okay. I can turn this around. Hey, thank you for saying thank you, brother. Thank you, BK, as well, for the roses. Okay, we've got to try and get that. We've got to turn this around. I follow for the long time. I love your carvings. Hey, thank you, brother. How are you, Frosty? When your sky is gray, I will give you blue. Baby, I will give you blue. Ooh, actually, love from London. Oh, cheer, brother. All the way in London, eh? What's the... Oh, yeah, it'll be pretty late in London, eh? Pretty late, innit? Oh, come on. Stupid voice. Bro, this has not been sitting very well lately. You can tell when it's loose. Fucking around with a vice half the time, chick. Gosh, this is annoying. Yeah. Love from Germany. Kia ora, brother. Thank you for the hype train as well, whānau. There we go. I can't help a miracle. Fuck. And I know what I must do. Bro. Come on, bro. Cook Islands, I'll be honest, I've never actually been there. I don't know if I ever will, to be honest. Do you still game, bro? Yeah, I was doing it over the weekend, but offline. I try not to play too much games though. Just been playing WoW, getting ready for MOP. Getting ready for Mr. Pandaria again. It's one of my favorite expansions back in the day. Oh, jeez. Alright, I need to get some music, but hold up. Also, thank you, Bruzerka, for the follow over on Kick as well. Or should I be saying that on front page? I don't know. Thank you very much, hey Charlie, for the 16 months, my bro. Hey, brother Charlie, how are you? Bro, what is going on with our tunes, bro? Goodness. I just need a bit of background noise, eh? I can hear me. What I know that I must do. What don't be an egg. Oh, just don't be a, don't be a dick in the chat, basically, brother. Don't be a troll with that kind of jazz. That's pretty much what it means. How we doing, TikTok? Hopefully I don't need to dip out off the stream again. So I streamed the other day, looking good and amazing. Hey, thank you, brother. Just prepping a design right now, my bro. So that's kind of gonna be the gist of it, maybe for the next few. Yeah, the gist of it for the next few, my bro. While we get through it. There we go. Yeah, it's a lot of design prepping right now as we move forward think Shakespeare coined the term. Because I always thought it was a short way to stop being a rotten egg. Oh yeah. How's the Pelly Tank PvP going? It's different. It's different, you know. I'm too used to like absolutely deleting someone. But I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna try and make it a thing for myself. Yeah, tanking spec in PvP. And if people flame me, I'll just use them as content, really. Use them as content, my breeder. Did you check out the PowerPoint? No, I haven't yet, my bro. I haven't even been by my PC lately. Or yet. I've just been full on. Like this is the last week of school and my kids both have their matariki plays coming up. And one's doing a play, one's doing kapaka. And you know me, fully invested, committed, making sure they have the best time. Was that for a bit of a... for uni, my bro? Or a bit of a wānanga? Oh. Thank you, Jack O'Donnell. Thank you very much for the rose, my bro. Oh, I gotta pay more attention to all the chats, eh? Jeez, my bad. Have a blessed day. You have a beautiful day too, my brother. Thank you, Cassie. Cassie Webster. Hey, I know some Websters. What are you making? A hey mato. Iggy, thank you very much for the cats as well. And the roses too. Bloody shocking of me, I ain't gonna lie. I've probably missed so much too. I apologise, TikTok. That is my bad. What you making? We are designing a fish hook, my brother. It's a little thing I put together for my tikanga course. Oh, yo, W, my bro. Thank you, Sid, for the roses. Tēnā koe, my bro. Is that with the wow, or who's it with, my bro? From Glasgow, all the way in Scotland. Hey, my brother. Okay, my bro. Jeez, what's the time in Scotland? Are you located in Blenheim? Nah, brother, I'm not in the south. I'm in the north. The North Island. In Rotorua. The home of Maori tourism. Oh my days, bro. There's a lot of corners to clean up. Goodness gracious me. Some aura shit, not gonna lie. Check my brother. Love the work. Hey, thank you, brother. Yo, Sid, thank you for the manawa as well. Kia ora, my bro. Love the work, brother. Thank you, my bro. Just chipping away, brother. I kinda, like, for a simple design, I may have added a lot more work to it than I needed to, but that's just me, to be honest. I do that all the time. I always do it, brother. Straight up. Go. Far out. Wednesday, chat, is going to be a different stream. Wednesday is a maintenance stream, okay? So we're going to be doing a lot of cleaning and sharpening. That's the plan for that on Wednesday. I thought I'd stream our monthly cleanup. So tomorrow I'll go and get some more stuff that we need, and we will clean all my tools, sharpen them as well. It's gonna be a slow stream, eh? Just want to let you know. I know it might get a bit boring for some people, but people have asked me to stream it. I don't normally stream them just for that, because of that reason. But people are really encouraging me to stream it, so I'll give it a go. Yeah, that's one of the main reasons why I haven't really streamed it, because in my eyes I thought it'd be too boring for everyone that watches, and the chat will get lurky and everything. Hey Jarrell Preston, sure my brother. Joe Wadey, morning, how are you? Wadey over on Grove Street. Fine because I'm slow too. I'll be honest, brother. I'm pretty chill in life too. Like, real, like, easy going. Like, even traveling, brother, I'm not really in a rush. I just take my time, brother, and in my eyes, the place ain't going anywhere, so what's the rush? That's always how I've looked at things in life, eh? Always. Thank you, Scutcho, for the rose. Thank you, brother. What's the name of this thing you're making? So, you may not be able to see it, but this whole thing is called a fish hook or a heimato. We will be cutting out the middle of it towards the end. So we're designing one side, and then we'll jump on the other side and design that. Can't wait to see the finished product. Yeah, so once we've cleaned up all these little cuts here, like one by one, then eventually we move into doing all the notches, which is another like step to this design as well. Also, chat, I've started watching Lord of the Rings again, just cause I've been in my Gandalf vibe lately, and I also think I may have found all 3 books, because I do have to read all 3 books to the stream. Have you read the old time Maori? No, I'll be honest, I lack the attention span to read a thesis, I won't lie. The only thesis I can read is Dr. Lionel Grant's. But the only reason why I can read his is because his whole thesis is a wharenui, or a meeting house. Yeah, I lack the attention span, bro, straight up, for reading in general. Okay, I gotta admit, I was the kid that got the books with the pictures on Duffy Book Day, alright? I saw a Pokemon book, I get the Pokemon book. Chief of War, yeah, bro, I wanna watch that. Definitely wanna watch that, my bro. Like inside of like the Polynesian Triangle, the other cultures that I'm fascinated with the most, other than my own, would probably have to be, I don't think Tahiti's in it, eh? Is it? Wait, Rapa Nui? Where is it in? I don't know. Fuck, I don't know. I just know it's Aotearoa, Rapa Nui, and Hawaii up the top. Are you going to stay in it? Yeah, I'm going to stay in it, brother. Linseed, though, just to keep the natural colours there as well. I'm reading through it now. Really interesting. She's really witty. Makes it really entertaining. Oh, yo. How many pages is it, my bro? Just out of curiosity. Yeah, bro. When it comes to reading, bro, I got the attention span of a freaking pigeon. But that's why Lionel Grant's thesis is so easy to read, because it's a whole fully carved meeting house. Little bit of information for you guys. Lionel Grant, who is also a graduate of the carving school I went to, used his meeting house ihinga for his doctorate. And that was probably one of the most 5-head things I've ever seen. I was buzzing. Flex me in the house. Hey, what's up, Baxton? How's it in Flex, my bro? Love you're still doing your thing, brother. You deserve it all. Best wishes from Canada. I appreciate you, eh? A fellow Pokemon trainer of culture. I say, yes, I wish to be strong as Ash one day, where I can pick up 120 kg Pokemon with two hands without struggling. Obviously, I can't do it at the age of 15 like him anymore. I'm a couple years late, but you know, one can still hope to be that strong. One can still hope to be that strong in life, chat. Without struggle, by the way. Is this an Aussie? No, brother, next door. Next door, my bro. What's up, Ollie and Jay? Chair? Where are you? Included the preference and notes and all that. Oh, true. Thank you, Night Wolf, for the 15 GGs and the 12 TikToks. Cheer, my brother. No, you have a great day, Spencer. Hello from Chicago. Cheer, my brother. Is it snowing in Chicago right? No, it's summer. I take that back. I take that back. We're in winter. I want to take my kids to see some snow too. They've never seen snow before, or like touched it. Not that artificial crap. You gonna sneeze? Oh jeez. Hello from Arizona. Cheer, brother. It's really hot. Yeah, I heard it's like nutsack stuck to leg kind of hot, you know. And you gotta step to the side to peel it off. Hey brothers, yous know. When you're walking in town and then you just do the carry on. Yo, Callum, thank you very much for the money gun. Hey, we all do that, brothers. Come on. Bit of information for our female viewers out there, you know. If you see a brother out in town and he's just walking in and he just goes, it's the separation effect, you know. Hop, one, and then you carry on. Undercover separation is what we call it. Bit of sacred information for you there. Hey, effective. Works for about a couple minutes, then we got to do it again. Depending on the heat. Hello from Alaska. Hey, brother. A big hello from South Africa. Hey, cheer, my bro. Yeah, hey. Nothing like a side step to realign yourself, is it? Have you just gotten back into streaming? No, I've been streaming heaps. Sup, Jordan? I'm doing good, my bro. What are you making? We are doing a fish hook, brother. Just cleaning up the designs right now. So that's what we're up to. We got snow on Mount Hikurangi. Oh, yeah. There's a bit on Tarawera. But where I'm normally from, because I come from it's kind of like in a higher altitude compared to here, and it snows there by the bucket load, pretty much. There was one year where it was winter. It snowed, and we got snowed in for about 6 months. So there was no power, pretty much. But luckily we lived in an old school house. You might not know what this is. It's called a coal range. So an old school, like, it's an old school like kitchen. We use timber to heat up the plates. Yeah, we had one of those in our old house. And that came in clutch during those 6 months of no power and being stuck in the snow. I got bored of the snow on the second day. I did, however, put mold a giant eggplant, not the vegetable. You probably can tell where I'm going with this, on my uncle's truck, because he was drunk. Yeah, I was that bored. I put one from the bonnet to the back of the truck because I was bored. Yeah, so if you can figure out that in your mind. Another thing that came in clutch for those 6 months that we were snowed in, I had about how much, like, I had like 4 big boxes of batteries. And you know what I played a lot of in those 6 months? Pokemon Silver and Red. There were a lot of restarts. But hey, at the same time, I'm just glad I got to play something. Yo, Abe TDLC, thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Thank you, brother. When the roads eventually opened, the snow on the sides of the roads did not melt away until the end of summer. Yeah. So there were these big ass blocks of snow on the side of the road. Obviously, they turned into maybe ice or something. But yeah, they didn't melt away till the end of summer. Aren't you that really nice guy? I'm alright. At the moment, I'm that really hungry guy, but I'm trying to diet. But yeah, it was a hardcore 6 months. At the same time, you know, hunting was something we did up home anyway, so we were good. Feels like I haven't seen bro in so long. Oh, good to see you again, Aiden. Kia ora. How do you find Wadey? Oh, bro, well, I've had like, I won't lie, I've had like 11 bots trying to redirect people from my channel, like, not that there's much people here anyway, to another particular streamer who's partnered as well. It's weird, like, a lot of bots on here, I'll say that much, but it's good. I've been connecting with a lot of people from NoPixel. Shout out to the Mana community once again that got us to our follower goal. Trying to prepare for construction in 100 plus degrees this week. You're probably in Arizona. I'm in NZ, brother, the southern hemisphere. Last time I was waiting for my son to be born. He's nearly 4 months, and he is my world. Hey, brother, that's how it goes, my bro. When your kids are born, I'm exactly the same way, my bro. You're such a genuine gem of a person. Thank you for sharing your craft with us. Oh, Sloth, always, brother. Always. That's why I'm here. You sound like the guy from Guardians of the Galaxy, The Rock. Yes. Call me G.I. Dwayne. No. Call me G.I. Dwayne, my bro. Thank you. Hey, the Brian Geld follow? I need... My Boatrix bot is not doing its thing, eh? What time is it for you? It's midnight for me. It is currently 11:06 for me. Yeah, it's pretty early. We started 10 minutes late. Just got back from Rotorua for Matariki. Oh, Papakon, did you go to the light show? Did you go there? I was counting how many drones fell down. I saw like good 20. He gave you a sub. Oh, thank you, bro. Why can't I see that on my chat? Yo, Wadey. Oh, Brian Girl, thank you very much, man. Apparently I need like 25 as a goal, but I don't want to put it as a goal because I feel like that guy. Thank you, brother. I need to look into my Boatrix bot. Because all I had to do was make it a mod. And it is not modding. Matua, where can I get the meanest pie? It depends, where are you? Ask the locals. I'll be honest, I think all the pies here are kind of subpar now. Hashtag probably eating them all. Yo, Brian Girl, thank you very much. Oh, you mean Brian? Yeah, I see Brian. Sorry, he gifted a sub. Opinion on Irish Celtic culture. I'd love to learn about it from the actual people. I'm open to learning like any, native culture. Hey, Sabus. Hope you have an amazing job. Hey, cheers, brother. Iron Flash. Sabuzo. Thank you, Jack and Jeremy as well, and Ryan. I like someone asked if I could carve something from Irish culture. I obviously turned it down. Main reason being, like, my reasons were I'll never carve something outside of my own cultures because I would rather live it first and learn from the actual people. Like, learn from the Irish people how to do their carving style. It's a respect thing for me. That's why I've never really indulged in other people's cultures, just my own. When it comes to Whakairo or wood carving, like someone asked, "Can you carve a totem, like from the iwi take o America, like all the indigenous Kazis over in America?" I said no. And they said, "But you're a wood carver, Simi, but I'm not from there." Don't wanna, be disrespectful. But if I can live, obviously it might be a bit harder nowadays because I'm a parent. If I can live amongst the culture and learn from the people, then maybe I'd be open to doing so. Oi, squirrel! Squirrel! Thank you very much for the galaxy, brother, and DC for the roses, and Miguel for the rose as well. Are you Mexican? No, I'm Maori. Again! Daniel Hudson. Tēnā koe, Daniel Hudson. Squirrel! Thank you very much for the galaxy again, brother. Holy! Yeah, very nice man, my bro. We're wanting a big fish hook carve, but haven't found a good one. Oh, really? I'd say this is your lucky day, my bro, but this is already going to someone. Alright, one moment. Yeah, we got a bit of a maintenance stream this week, so we'll do that. Hello, JB himself. Are you Samoan? No, I'm not. Hello, brother. Love your energy. Cheer, Artie. Cheer, my brother. Yo, Squirrel, thank you for the hat. Hey, what up, brother Luke? Cheer, my brother. How are you, my bro? Right. What's some other game music that's safe and we can listen to, chat? Has anyone asked if you're Maori? No, no one has yet. It's all good, bro. What up, just changing our music. Man, there's a lot we have to do, bro. I just played Witcher music. What wood should I work with as a beginner? A soft timber. My only thing would be, if you are working with soft timber, make sure your chisels are sharp, eh? Because a blunt chisel, I mean a semi-sharp chisel will be good too, but a blunt chisel will rip it. I think I feel another Witcher 3 playthrough on the horizon for myself. Not gonna lie. Did you watch the Witcher 4 trailer? You know what? I still haven't seen it, eh? Straight up. I still have not seen it. How old are you? I am 32, turning 33 this year. Yeah, getting old, brother. I feel like Lord of the Rings playlist would be a good one for background music. Yeah, it's a movie though, that's the thing. Game music is safe, but when it comes to movies, it's a bit of a risk as well. Just because I'm on YouTube as well. And they, they're very, very strict with their copyright things. Oh, hold up. You're calming. Hey, as long as people feel comfortable here, hey. Skyrules love watching the VODs. Hey, appreciate you for watching the VODs, my brother. Hey, thank you, my bro. Yeah, it definitely is better just to stream on your side, brother, instead of posting the VODs up, I feel. Whilst, editing videos and putting them up as well. Our noodle challenge short has pumped out a couple views, which I was quite happy about. Obviously, the short form does much better than the long form right now. It's all good. It's all good. Been trying to focus more on YouTube this year, like YouTube videos. I'm gonna go shoot one, hopefully over the holidays. Been a long follower since Twitch only days. Oh, cheer my brother. Cheer brother Ed. What's up, Vincent? Over on Twitch as well. Exclamation mark socials, I believe, or multi. Oh, for copyright stuff. Yeah, bro. Maybe Lord of the Rings game soundtrack. Is there a Lord of the Rings game? Two Towers was a goated game, eh? It was such a goated game, bro. Is it exclamation mark socials? Or exclamation mark multi? Thank you very much, Zitano, for the car pies. Hi, Red. Nice to meet you. So we need to which way is our grain going? Up. What's the name in Maori of this, my bro? How was your weekend, brother? Busy, my bro. Love from Hawaii. Hey, Kanaka. Helmako. Octopus hook. Hey, gee, you call it a heimato, my brother. Normally, you find these in a pendant form. Majority of the time, my brother. And the bro that commissioned this asked for a larger scale, and here we are, my bro. The design we're doing is Taratara Akai, which is associated with a lot of the tribes along the coast. So, you know, something that comes from the wai or from the water can be adorned with the design from the tribes of the coast as well. So we're just cleaning it right now, getting all our corners straight, all our lines all solid first before we continue. So we need to make sure everything's clean before we start adding the notches all over this side here, and then we do the other side. What's up, Corroded? What's the time in Hawaii, brother? Yo, thank you very much, Al Pacino and Cam Ram for the roses, and Philly as well. Kia ora, kia ora. Man, I'd so love to go to Hawaii one day just to sit down with the locals, man. There's this one wahine I follow on Instagram from Hawaii. She's a surfer as well, but she speaks a lot about the culture on the island. Maluhia Kinimaka is her name. Like, other than my own culture, I've always been fascinated by, you know, Hawaii and Tahiti. Yo, thank you very much. What's that cross emoji for the rose? Almost 130, my brother. I love seeing my poly cousins keeping traditions alive. Always, my brother. Always. It's my calling, my brother. 100%. That is my calling, my brother. There we go. Boom. Yeah, so it's just going to be a lot of little things right now, whānau, until we get to the notches part of the design. Just want to make sure it looks nice for the bro. That he's happy with where it's going. We'd love to go and kōrero with the Hawaiian cousins. Yeah, hard. My dad went to Hawaii when he thought he was a local until we started talking. It's always the waha, eh? Yo, Venom, thank you very much for the 70 car pies. Oh, thank you, brother. Terry, brother, how was your matariki? Yeah, sabdoko. My matariki was good, my bro. Just with my kids and my wife. It was perfect, brother. We went to watch a light show. Just get the kids out of the house there and make sure, you know. Like with my daughters, they're really, really invested in matariki as a whole. They always have been. So this part of the year is very important to them as well. And just there to support it as well. And they teach me about it too. By hundreds of miles of ocean and the cultures are similar, the mako he's making is a very big part of our culture. Bro, would love to sit down with you and have a kōrero, my bro. He's such a nice guy. Sure, my brother. Oh, you know, in my eyes, it's better to be nice than an absolute prick, eh? No one likes a prick in life. I mean, there's some people that do, but you know, whatever. Yo, Flash Gordo! Flash Gordon's cousin! Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my brother. Oh, Flash Gordy! Thank you very much, my brother. Appreciate the aroha. Thank you, great CJ. Cheers, my brother. Got the yard done. Nice, my brother. I have one myself. Oh, true. Deserve everything that comes your way. I'm hoping, I'm manifesting that I have a house with no neighbours, whether it be a cow or the odd sheep or birds. Let's hope that works, eh? Let's hope the universe answers the call. All I want is just a shed with an office space and a fireplace. That's all. And a north-facing deck. I have a few of my grandpa's made from board. Oh, really, brother? But we go diving for a he'e octopus. Oh, yeah, all the time. Is that, I don't know how to say this. Is he'e a delicacy, brother, in the culture? He'e, feke, sure. I can't help but maybe go. But I know I missed you. This one's a bit too deep, but hoya no. There are ways around it. Yeah, I love hearing the different variations of the reoe. He'e, feke. For us. That's cool. I love hearing those. Oh, thank you, Izzy, and how do I say that name? Dissect. Hemirua. Hey, thank you for the galaxy, Hemi. Tēnā koe. To catch a kraken. Yeah, the bum crack. It's the only kraken I see these days. Uncle, pull your pants up. Davy Jones gonna get you for copyright. Yo, what's up, Damon Ra? What's up, my brother? Thank you very much, Jeffrey and Jack as well. Kia ora, kia ora. Where are we? But aloha nu, aloha hui makanaka. Gonna go eat with the ohana. Love you always, you and your community. Yo, Nomo, appreciate you, my brother. Would love to have you around some more, my bro, so we can have some more kōrero. Love to you and the ohana, brother. And I'll see you on the next one, eh? Ka kite. See you around. One of the mods is from, or two of the mods actually are from Hawaii. Try and introduce them at some point. Aloha, aloha, yeah. Oh, someone subscribed to the channel too. Thank you, Whānau. Apparently I'm behind by 38.5k. I don't know what that is. I guess it's one of those TikTok live events. Discovered the stream many years ago, but today's the first time I could calmly sit and watch. Hey, Joe Gabriel. Put your feet up, my bro. Enjoy a beverage. Awesome chips. Welcome into the stream, my bro. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. I have been doing this cultural carving style since the age of 12, my brother. And I'll be honest, will continue to do so until I'm old and I can't hold my tools anymore. Welcome into the stream. If you have any questions, brother, feel free to ask. There's no such thing as a dumb question or a silly question here. Hey, what's up, Lewis? They are just questions here, my brother. Hello, I'm new here, but already follow you on Twitch. Oh, hey, what's up, Makuta? Appreciate you. welcome to the YouTube channel, and thank you for following on the Twitch channel as well. So let me know if you want the origin story. I share it on a daily basis. Why? Because I don't mind. And I have a snotty nose. One moment. I need a bot to start taking counts of my snot rockets. Here we go. Is there a story behind this piece? It's more decorative, so it doesn't represent anything or anyone in particular. Sent me the link. I've been looking at getting into carving and the carving around the near future. Oh, nice, my brother. A few things you'll need. Some chisels. Ones that you can afford, eh? Don't try to buy ultra mega legendary ones straight away. Invest in affordable ones. Learn how to use them and get comfortable with those ones. And you know, just carve. You gotta make mistakes, brother. Don't be scared to make them. You can't learn if you don't make any. No one's perfect. Yeah, no one's perfect, brother. So, you know, just invest in yourself. Take your time. Find processes for yourself as well. But most of all, just have fun. That's what the journey's all about, eh? Having fun and learning. Not trying to be, you know, top tier king ding-a-ling on day one. You just do you, brother. And you'll be sweet. Love your videos. I appreciate you, my bro. Sabuso from Pennsylvania. Love your work. Oh, what's up, Mike? All the way in Pennsylvania. What's the time in Pennsylvania, my bro? What's the time for everyone, really? EU. The EUers. I know yous are watching really late. Now, this is my guidance and my expertise, you know. This is my I didn't go to college or university knowledge right here. If it's late, go to bed. That's my universal knowledge for you. What's up, Tree? How are you, my brother? What's up, Tama? 4:36. Okay, there's some reasonable o'clocks in there, and then we got some should have took my ass to bed 2 hours ago in 38 minutes as well. In the morning. 8 p.m. in Porto Alegre, Brazil. Oh, true. Watching from the Philippines. Kia ora. Kamusta. Wait. Did I say the right one? Could be half a day. I think I may have said the wrong one. My bad. Someone sent the galaxy. Let me scroll back. How rude of me. Thank you very much, the dude, for the galaxy, my brother. I do apologize that I missed that very much so, my bro. Appreciate the aroha. Thank you very much. How was it? How was the change from working full-time to doing this full-time? I was already carving full-time still, in lockdown. Thankfully, you know, Tamaki Maori village who I was carving for, they were actually, W them for doing this though, they were actually dipping into their own, like, reserve in order to pay us. Because I was still carving their things through, you know, the craziness of COVID. They told me to carry on. I said I'll stop if you want, so you can save your money. But they said no, carry on. At the same time, you know, while the world was going tits up, while we were going through, you know, a bad variant of Batman series. Can I say that? Probably not, but oh well. Yeah, while we were going through a filler episode of Batman, I was thinking, what could I do? Because we were all stuck in our houses. Oh, not literally, but contact with other people was not the thing that we should do. And I was just chilling with my daughter one day because I was already streaming wood carving at the time, and I just got nervous every time the view count went up. Like, even if it was one, it was probably a botte. But I got nervous every time the view count went up, and I turned it off. I couldn't handle it. Hey, 1-9 almost. Thank you very, very much for the galaxy, my bro. We'll call it a takarangi, eh? Thank you very much for the takarangi, my bro. How you, Tree? Thank you very much for the takarangi, my bro. Como sta there, B-boy? How are you? Yeah, we were all in lockdown, like just like anyone else around the world. Eh? What sounds like a bloody lifetime ago now. Well, I just wanted to figure out what can I do. What can I do? Thank you very much for the 100k likes too. And then a lot of my friends messaged me like, bro, just jump on Twitch and do your Whakairo again. So I was doing Whakairo streams, like a little bit here and there. Then I did one. And in lockdown I was like, what can I do? Like, it was just me and my wife. My sister-in-law was living with us at the time, and our firstborn, she was born. So she was born 2018. She wasn't a COVID baby. Our second baby, however, was just after lockdown. So I officially never had a COVID lockdown baby. I can add that to my list of titles I never got. Yeah, I was trying to figure out what can I do, man. I need to do something. I don't want to sit inside and do nothing. Sophie and Harry, thank you very much. So I started doing carving again on stream. Like, there's like 3 people here that come in and ask what I was doing, along with my friends who obviously still streamed at the time. And they were happy to see me doing Whakairo. Te kupu Maori of More Galaxy, takarangi. And thank you Ironside and Sapik. And then I saw this thing on Twitter. Like, I was just on Twitter to follow my favourite WoW streamers, to be honest. It was a Twitch ANZ Creative Showcase. And as you all know, I applied for it. Wasn't trying to get it though. Like, I just applied for the memes pretty much. Like, for the memes. And then the next day, or the next few days come along and I got accepted, and I was like, oh no! Keep in mind, I had VDSL. Is Kiwi a language? No, Kiwi is a flightless bird. I had VDSL, which was not the best internet. And I had my Samsung Galaxy S7 phone, which I still have inside as memorabilia. And well, I didn't have a tripod, so I made my own, right? So just at the back here. Oh, you probably can't see it there, TikTok. Just at the back here. Just over there. Just over there in that area, 2 nails and 2 strings. That was my tripod. Keep in mind, I didn't have, money to buy tripods. It was more on the rent and for food. And, obviously COVID tests at the time. But my what would it be? The words that I was living by that year was don't be a bitch. Oh, sorry, front page Twitch. Just being honest. Yeah, those were the words I was living by. Don't be a bitch, try something new. And that new was streaming and doing that creative showcase. Obviously the first day was very nerve-wracking. We had about 500 people watching the stream, which was crazy for me. So we kind of raw dogged it from 3 to 5. And then the second day was when that clip got taken. As you all know, the clip that has connected me with all of you. Without you guys, there wouldn't be no Brox. Yeah, that clip was taken. I didn't know it got taken. It was just another normal day for me. Finished stream that day. Felt good. Went inside, chilled with my daughter, and played Fortnite. And went to bed. And the next morning, I remember because I wake up at 6 o'clock. I woke up and saw a lot of messages from Twitch staff. They're saying, "Hey, go into your Twitch chat right now." I thought I did something wrong. And there were about 10,000 people in an offline chat waiting for me to go live. And that was very nerve-wracking to see. Like, very nerve-wracking. I didn't want to go live that day. But because of those words I kept thinking about, I did it anyway. And it ended up being one of the most nuttiest streams ever. Yeah. Hey man, what you doing this time? Still the fish hook, my bro. Still going. Yeah, it was one of the nuttiest streams ever. I think we became the most renowned or well-known Maori streamer in the world. I think we are. I don't know. It's not really something I think about on a daily basis. And I think something I will take away from it for myself is front-running my culture on Twitch and, showing it with the world. What led to that is a creative day that was created because of my channel on Twitch for Maori Language Week, where it would showcase Maori streamers within the country, and that's all because of what happened to the channel. That day was created. So that's probably the biggest, thing I take for myself. Like, oh, that's the W I'll have. And I was buzzing out that because of the stream, there was a creative showcase they created because of the stream. And yeah, it's I don't watch that clip ever. I'm not a fan of watching clips of myself. I never have been. I just cringe out, Like even today, like fame's not really something I pursue ever. Got a question, bro. You got any tips for someone who wants to improve on wood carving? You just gotta do it, brother. Improve by doing, pretty much. That's how you have to do it. That's the only way to do it in life. No matter what you pursue, improve by doing. No book is gonna, no book is gonna help you when it comes to Whakairo. Just do it. Hey, what's up, my kanaka? Mr. Ken, thank you very much for the roses, brother. And is that true, bro? Thank you very much as well. I love the ramen video and the growing song. Cheer, my brother. Yeah, I won't lie. I kind of want some more bulldog noodles. Those are quite nice. I do like the pink ones, however. Bro, those ones are nice, bro. They're like good. So yeah, as a whole, it felt good. But I keep it to myself, What's up, new guy? How are you, brother? Are you in NZ? Yes, I am, my brother. Yeah, we're just having a little break. Been chipping away at this design. It feels good though. Whereabouts? I live in Rotorua. So the place that smells like rotten eggs and all the geothermal tunnels are connected to Yellowstone. So if Yellowstone goes up, we've got like a couple hours to evacuate. Are you single? No, I am married of 1 year and well, what are we in now? July. 1 year and 2 months. I just don't wear my wedding ring when I'm carving. It's the only jewellery that I how do I say it? It's probably my most prized possession in terms of jewellery. I don't really wear rings and all that and necklaces. Hey, appreciate you, Caleb. Cheer, my brother. All the way from Papua New Guinea. Hey, kia ora. Hey, cheer, my bro. How are you? Sending love from Norway. Kia ora. We're just having a little quick break, my bro. I think we're on the front page again. What's the time in Norway? Norwegian, eh? Seeing you in a while. Hope you're doing well. I don't know, bro. Yeah, doing good, brother. Doing good. Hello from Ireland. Hey, brother. Watching from Quebec. I hope you have a good day. Hey, you have a good day too, my brother. If you are leaving, have a good day too. Yeah, we just been working on this piece today. Alright, we'll get back into it, eh? Don't want to yap too long. What did the Aussie say when he was surprised? Norway. I thought it was Norway. Norway. Nar. I made an Australian character in RP. His name's Jonar. How's wife's jewelry box? It's going good. You want to see it? Yeah, I made a GTA character called Jonar. Dodgy John, yeah, so it's Johnaur, his last name. Janar. Yo, anime clips, thank you very much, brother. Hey. Favorite anime though, my bro. Favorite anime. Also, can I say that Kuma's crash out is probably the most valid crash out in anime history? Can I say that? I did, so you know. I was doing the Kuma dance with my daughters yesterday. Dun 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 dun. Sup, Kaelin? Careful, us Aussies will be calling you Broxo next. Oh, but they've been calling me that for ages. Are you coming to pack your dog? See me, probably not. Yeah, probably not, you little shite. Much love. Much love to you. Enjoy the things you make. Hey, thank you. Yes, you are valid with the Kuma's crash. Yes, bro, the most valid crash out in anime history, bro. Bartholomew Kuma, bro. It's cool to see the pawpaw fruit like on full display too, like how powerful it actually is. Even though you know I read it, but it's still cool to see animated. Hey, much love, bro. Brother, your craftsmanship is incredible. Keep spreading all the positivity. Hey, thank you, my brother. We'll do my best, my brother. Try and do my best. Like I always say, this is your cheeky corner of the internet where you can come and relax and chill. Alright? And if people try and say otherwise to you, I hope they get gout in their tailbone that is uncurable. Alright? that cannot be cured. No tablet nor foot that can ever cure it. This last Minecraft graphics update is amazing. And I see they made crafting mechanic quite hardcore. Ha ha. Did I do it right? I am Steve. I'm Patwick. Flint and steel. I made the mistake of taking my kids to go and watch it at the movies, and everyone nutted out at Chicken Jockey. I was like, oh, bloody crazy people. Because the guys in front of me go, oh, we might go a bit crazy at the Chicken Jockey bits. And me, you throw popcorn on my kids, you'll see my bad side. And they didn't throw their popcorn up, which was good. Bloody silly buggers. Thank you, Hub, for the roses, my bro. Thank you, brother. I almost missed those, so I do apologise, my bro. Alright, where are we now? Also, chat, after today's stream, I do have to take my wife to do the dreaded Kmart run. She got some more clothes for the sprog. She's growing up too fast, chat. Way too fast. Yeah, but what's so hype about the Chicken Jockey? 'Cause, you know, I'm not a Minecraft main, so I don't understand. Whatever, Dan. How many hours you put into this piece? I'll be honest, I haven't really been keeping track. Have not been keeping track, my brother. Thank you very much, Huncho, for the roses. Kia ora, brother. Morena, how are you? Lovely stuff. Cheers, brother Huncho. Thank you, brother. Yeah, we've been chipping away, my bro. Been chipping away. I've got to do a bloody sign as well. Just trying to find the timber to do it. Also, as I mentioned, I am going to start a PO box this month. I am scared. How was your matariki? It was good, my bro. It was good. Your chat, it's about that time. There we go. Realigned. Is this Red Dead Redemption music? It is, my friend. It is. Are you South African? No. I'm not from South Africa. What does morena mean? It means good morning, pretty much. Do you play it a lot? Yeah, bro. I did every single ending. And I won't lie, I kind of feel like playing it again. Absolutely love that game, bro. So it's morning for 1 more minute, and then we go into the afternoon. So get your morenas in before 12 o'clock. Morena. Yo, Juan, thank you very much for the roses and the cats, my bro. Alright, where are we? Cherry Brother Huncho over on YouTube. Morena Dolphin. Morena, guys, Morena. Alright. Alright, it is currently kia ora now. We have reached 12 o'clock. So what you would use now is kia ora. Can't use morena anymore. It's not morning anymore. As we are in the P to the M. Okay. Oi. Thank you very much to Ayo I'm Sizzling for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, my bro. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. Helping out in the daily sub goal as well. Appreciate you, my bro. Hello, brother. Brother on YouTube. How are you, my bro? Thank you, INX08, for the roses, and Max as well. Ngā mihi kōrua. Alright, where are we? Let me have a roll of the salt and the boy now could. I'll climb up a ladder with a hammer and a nail, I'll nail it. Yeah, we worked so hard to build a little house together. With the cold and the rain and the ice, no, we will never know better. What the weather, we're together. Dur, 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 dur. Some mahi, my bro? Ah, kia ora, brother. Yeah, it's alright, eh? I'm a never satisfied person, brother. There's always room for could have been more, you know? That's how I've always been. Oh, I hear sirens. Someone's in trouble. You's gonna get me in trouble. Where are we? Thank you. Hey, Poonex. Thank you very much for the 30 months, my bro. Birds are singing. Yeah, they sing every day. They sing every day. Thank you very much, brother Poonex. Hope you're doing good too, my brother. Over on Twitch. Right. You watching the All Black squad, Picky, my bro? Nah, probably not. Just wait for them to announce it, eh? Probably not, my bro. Yo, Max Will, thank you very much for the roses, my brother. Oh, jeez. Where are we? What are you working on? We're doing a heimato, brother. We're working on all the design right now. So we've got to clean corners. Make sure there's no wood tags as well. Just all, I call them more the little like 1%ers that we have to do. Normally all the little things, you know, end up taking the longest to do. Especially when you're picky like me. Where are we? Where are we now? Just checking on all the chats. But you stabbed. I've never stabbed myself with and carving. Never. Seen a few people that have done it, but because you know, let's just say the critical thinking was not there when some people did what they did. One moment, one way. So the bro. What can I use as an example? Here's my pencil. So one way, the bro was holding a carving, right? So he was holding his carving, and he was, you know, cleaning it with his hand, or cleaning his carving while holding it. Chisel went underneath the wood, went across his palm, and yeah, he gave himself a light shave. And he was known as an amateur from that day forward. You know, critical thinking was not there. Eh? The brain definitely was still on lunch break. And yeah, cost him a bit of his palm. And you don't want to know what's funny as well? The Master Carver sword. And he just looked at him and went, ugh, dumbass. I just looked at him and said, well, he ain't wrong. It's not wrong, brother. What you did was stupid. You made simple Jack look smart. Stupid ass Jack. Thank you, Mono. Kia ora, kia ora. Alright, let's show you there. Because he's a master carver, not something I will ever claim, my bro. Bet he didn't do that mistake again. Nope, he didn't graduate either. Wait, nah, he didn't. What's the holes in the middle? This is was just me marking. All this is going to come out towards the end, the middle bit. So the main reason why we're not cutting it out now, so we don't lose that strength in the timber, because I'm using a vise and not like super jaw clamps, we don't want to do that. So to avoid that, I left the middle part in to keep that strength, because once this comes out, our weak point is here. And when it's fully carved and designed, we don't want to be applying any pressure on it whatsoever once it's done. So those are the reasons why. I can't wait to add the notches just to see what it looks like. Still got a little bit to carve. But once we do this side, once we carve this side, we're going to turn them around. And we're going to do the inside. So we'll do the opposite and do the inside here. And I was thinking of I might add my little signature in here somewhere. Or add my signature design that I always do somewhere inside here. Instead of like carving my name. Kia ora, Ice Pack, how are you, brother? This wood, the wood's cracked, mate. Yeah, I've already filled it, bro. Trust me, we're here to you. This has been filled with the epoxy resin. Love the Red Dead music, thank you, sir. Never go full insert. Rest of the Queen. What's up, Lone Mountain? Bro, I've been wanting to watch Tropic Thunder again, eh? You went full. That word. Robert Downey Jr., bro. That was not something I expected from Robert Downey Jr. But the dumbest motor trucker that ever lived. Yo, thank you very much, is it Michelle? Thank you very much for the roses, Kia ora. Once a year, it's the best event. We'll try and show up more than once a year, my brother. Check my bro. Dude, it's a dude playing another dude disguised as another dude. Yeah, that movie just came out of nowhere and was like, what the hell is this, bro? Come on. Well, what's the line? Come on, we got 38 hours till he wakes up. Is that the Jack Black line? I can't remember. We got 38 hours until he wakes up, or something like that. It was like real specific. Okay, you may not be able to see what I'm doing, but I gotta get it from these angles, okay? Shan't be long. This is so low, bro. 32 years old and I should not be keeling over this low. It's probably why my back's so sore all the time. Oh well. We'll make our own workbench when the day comes, too, when we got our own shed. Oh, bro, I cannot wait for that day. It's gonna be fire. Where else do I need to go? Hooey. Should've bought attention, whatever you want from me. I don't want it, baby. If you're my attention, I'm afraid of all the things you could do to me. Almost done. Maybe have a rolling song in a bun now, then. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah! Ow. I think we train legs today, chat. Monday, everyone will be doing chest. So we'll do the bigger muscles and do quads and legs. Last few bits. I just want to have them cut out, that's all. We can come back to it on tomorrow. There we go. Almost done. Alright, that's enough. Turn it around now. Thank you very much, Yal and Psycho, for the gifties as well. Sorry, I just needed to try and smash these out real quick. Oh, my crock came off. Chat, I think my daughters want to watch K-pop Demon Hunters again tonight. And I am down because it is actually a pretty cool movie. I didn't realise how catchy K-pop music was, eh? Never once indulged in listening to that type of music, but whee! Did you live in Hawaii? Nah, I didn't, brother. Never have. West Auckland weather is crap. Oh, not too bad down here. Not too bad. Yo, Winter! Thank you very much for the 46 months, my brother. I was thinking about you last night while I was leveling my hunter. Cheer, my bro. Good to see you again. Hope everything in the south is well. Hope mahi is going good too. Cheer, my bro. Can't be fucked going outside. Fair. Do you play D&D? I want to, but I did find a D&D game that's coming out on Steam a little later. That I can play at home without leaving my kids. It's good to say you're a K-pop enjoyer. Probably the way it's going. With the way it's going and how catchy these songs are, I will not be surprised if I start catching on to these K-pop songs that my kids listen to. Is the music Red Dead? It definitely is, sir. Everything all good, bestie, and the fam as well. Hey, chill, my bro. All's good here, brother. Just been, just being a dad, my bro. Especially to the new bubba. She's been doing good. Chilly on the island, eh? Oh, I just wear a jacket just to be safe, my brother. Getting old, so it gets bit easier to get sick. But I just been focusing on health lately. Seeing your YouTube videos, amazing work and amazing vibes. Hey, appreciate you, my brother. I found my long lost sibling. Hey, oh damn, these two winters in the chat. Nord of the White Letter, good to see you online again. As a beginner, a little info on the chisels used for traditional design would be awesome. So traditionally, with our ancestors, we used stone chisels. 2 stones in particular. Nephrite jade, Pounamu, and grey wacky river stone, or onewa as we call it. Those were the 2 stones that our ancestors used for our stone chisels back in the day. And we still use them today as well. I even made myself a onewa adze blade as well that I still have as a student. It still cuts very well. But it's mainly just something... Can I preach the Bible, please? Not in this live, sorry. Jeez, they're upgrading from public to live streams. I respect the grind. I appreciate you, Ella. Thank you very much, Ella. Thank you. So yeah, stone chisels were the chisels that our ancestors used. Even today, we still use them. As my time as a student at Te Puia or NZ Maki, that was something we did in our first week, and I used a sandstone to sharpen mine to appreciate what my ancestors went through, you know, the long hours to etch the stone into the preferred shape they wanted. So it was pretty much that, and like you could use the stone wheels. They have a stone carving school there. But I wanted to do it the old way to appreciate it more. Are you playing RDR2? It's just background music. Not actually playing it. What's up, Heartless Media? Kia ora. D&D on virtual tabletops. We learned host online. $15 per session. Some games go up to 50. Oh, do you, brother? Sure. Been carving stone lately, love it. Yeah, I want to get into stone carving when we got our own house, our own shed. It's definitely something that I'm gonna dive into. Do you source the stone that you use to sharpen them, bro? Yeah, you pretty much can, but with certain places in the country you need... Oi! Yo, Seeds! Thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Thank you, brother. With certain places in the country you need, like... Is it clearance? Would you say clearance? You need to be, you know... You need, to get the good word from the tribe, eh? Like, you can't go down south. Yeah, permit. You can't just go down south, jump in the river and... Ooh, Pounamu. Or you can't go up to Hauraki and say, ooh, Onewa. Jump in the river and grab it. You can't really necessarily do that. But in saying that too, I have some of my mates who are stone carvers who say, when you're ready, we'll give you some stone. It's like, oh, okay, sure. What tools do I need for carving wood? Chisels. Chisels, brother, is all you need. And maybe a clamp or a workbench. W if you have a workbench though. I'd love to have a workbench, but because, you know, I carve in a shit shack carport, probably not ideal to leave a bench outside. They can be easily taken. I'm from Texas. Kia ora, brother. There was something like that. I thought it was all free. Yeah, but imagine, eh? If it was all free, brother, it'd be all gone by now. What's up, Uno J? Thank you very much for all the follows on Twitch today as well. And on, you know. What's the ruling on sandpaper? Up to you, pretty much. I prefer not to use sandpaper on my carvings because it's easier to clean it with a chisel as opposed to using sandpaper, which will create more work, thus you're wasting more time. But for me personally, yeah, I clean with a chisel. And it's easier. Sure, but you know about that? Yeah, there's some tēmaras back where I'm from. Nah, resources are precious. Yeah, bro, definitely. Koe te ingoa, karekau he ingoa mō tēnei mea. He decorative piece noi ho tēnei. Do you do commissions for work? If so, how could I get one? My commission list is almost open. I've got one more to do after this, then I go, hi everybody, the commission list is open. Hi. I'm from Ruatahuna. I am too. I am too. You mean to say it's easier for you? I've never used one and yeah, I'd rather use a chisel over sandpaper. The only time sandpaper I'd use it is when we do our weapons or you work with hard timber. But I'll show you something that, you know, I've carved something out of hard timber that I wouldn't use sandpaper on. I'm gonna change the music chip. I'm all red dated out.
There's fun.
What up? That's a YouTube ad. That's better. So, this is hard timber here. Would I use sandpaper on this? No. What I would use to clean this is steel wool. When it comes to a hardwood that has, you know, a different kind, not so much of a flat surface. Thank you, DJ KG. I would use steel wool on this. Okay. There we go. Yeah, I would use steel wool on this kind of surface. Yo, thank you very much, Gyato, for the Optimus Prime. As you can see. So this is a jewellery box for my wife that I've been working on. This one here. I still need to clean up a bit more. I've been working on it off stream now, just because our focus has been the hook. Steel wool. Basically it looks like wool, but it's made out of small threads of steel. And you can, you know, just run it over the carving and it'll refine all the sharp edges, or like the blocked out edges of your carving. Very good to use. Also can be used for sanding as well, if you're sanding something flat. It's giving gum fruit. Hey. But yeah, this is for my my wife's wedding ring. It's our 10 years. 10 years, man. I'll be honest, I've loved every single year with her. There's to many more. So you can see, middle figure here, arms, legs. I'm just showing TikTok for now, Twitch. And then we have Manaya around the side, faces here, body, and two more faces on the opposite side. So it's yeah. Just trying to, you know, not leave any space for any blank spots. Just going hard. Will the inside be smoothed out? The inside, I'm going to dig it out. So the plan is, draw a circle in here, hollow out the inside of the circle. Well, this one, draw a circle here, cut the outside, and leave a little lip. Pretty much, and just dig it out. Should be easy to slot, and we'll be all good. Steel wool. Learned something today. Yeah, steel wool is really good. And it's really nice. So when you go through your grits, your rougher grits, when you start getting to more of those finer ones, use a steel wool before maybe 800 grit or 1200, and it's good. It's really, really good. I'll put this to the side, check. Oh no, that's yeah, something you can use, chat. Something you can use. How we doing, Vano? Can you tell me a random fun fact about woodwork? It's hard, like me. In the morning. Nah. It's hard like me in the morning. Please understand, I am a cheeky person as well. I had to. It was hard not to, chat. See what I did there? Hard not to. Ah. Dead humor. Bloody gold. absolutely gold. Alright, how we doing, chat? We all good? You playing Gwent? No. Never played Gwent ever. I skipped that and just played the game. What's that? This is my mallet. I've had this since 2015. I've carved many carvings with this mallet. I've done a few meeting houses. Done a few like 100-year carvings as well, replications. She's got a bit of mileage on her, you can see on the side there. Yeah, she's done some pretty old carvings too. Ooh. It's made out of rata, R-A-T-A. This is a hard timber too. This was actually my tutor's mallet, and he was gonna biff it, and I said, I'll have it. And yeah, I've had it ever since. Pretty much. Yo, chat, how many, Twitch, how many people are watching right now? To smack people with no. To do carving. Goodness. Mallet, chisel. We'll use it for that when the zombie apocalypse comes. Yeah, when that day comes, then we'll, you know. Yo, Black Thunder, thank you for the 58 months, my brother. Sheesh, how you been, my bro? How you been, brother? Oi! Yeah, I've had this guy for ages. Yo, what's up, Adobo Chicken? Rockstar's sequel song to Pineapple Pen. Yo, I've been good. Hey, love to hear it, my brother. Love to hear it. How are you? I've been busy, brother. Another baby, my bro. She's about a month and 2 weeks now. She's in that phase where she's turning into a bit of a brick shit house. She's getting big. She's our Milky Bar baby, my bro. You know, I'm quite dark in complexion. It's just the sun. So my two big girls have my skin color, and our baby is the fairest of them all, like her mum. So she's our Milky Bar baby. No dramas? No dramas. Other than the drama of wanting more and more food, milk every day. Thank you, brother. Yeah, she's good, my bro. She's good as. I love the Kiwi accent too, brother. What's up, boy Bridges? Cheer, my bro. Yeah, she's our Milky Bar baby. So, my sister's on her third. Oh, nice, brother, nice. Yeah, bro, it's been cool relearning how to, you know, have a newborn again. It's something that we haven't experienced for about, how old's ours? 4 years. So it was a little bit iffy at the start, you know, readjusting to that and how much baby wakes up. But we're pretty much in ease mode now. Haven't seen you on my FYP in so long. Hey, what's up, middle finger emoji?
Introducing Blueprint.
What the hell is that?
Built by designers.
Moments in life.
Moment in life. Man, those chips on that air do look bussin' though. They do be looking fire, I'll say that much. Alright, TikTok, it's that time of the day for you guys. I am going to finish up. I hope you all enjoyed the stream today, TikTok. Ngā mihi nui for all the aroha and the gifties today and getting us to 33k likes or hearts, I believe, on the stream. But for now, I'm going to call it a day. GG's. Ngā mihi nui, TikTok. Just remember Twitch, YouTube and Kick as well, if you ever want to tune in on other channels too. But for now, Kick have Twitch, TikTok, holy. For now, TikTok, I have to go. GG's, my phone's flat, and ngā mihi nui for the aroha. I'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Alright, and then there were 3. And then there were 3. How we doing, guys? Alright, I think we'll finish up on YouTube next, so I can play some licensed music. It's a new experience and exciting. Yeah, my brother, it can be, bro. Definitely. Definitely, my brother. Okay, who's all on? Who's all on? Alright. YouTube, it's your turn next. I'm going to finish up with Twitch and Kick today. So have a good one. I want to play some music, okay? GG YouTube, Joe. And enjoy the VOD if you watch it.